but it's something that we have to obey the law on because we can't lose our license over it. So use for good flea and tick control. Vaccines. Rabies vaccine is a requirement in Arkansas, in the state of Arkansas. So we are doing a Principles of Animal Science lab today with training in small animals. So we're just worked on a goat, and we've got dogs and cats, and we're teaching them basic husbandry, basic care of dogs, cats, basically is what we did today, how to handle them if they're injured, how to take care of them versus not taking care of them with appropriate diet, heartworm prevention, flea tick prevention, vaccinations, proper care. Try to avoid creases. This is very important in horse legs, by the way, if you're wrapping horse legs. Any crease in this stuff can cut off circulation to the leg as well. Horse people taught me how to do this. You have to almost be a bandage snob to make this work well. When you're putting on bandages as well, sorry, biggin. You need to, if you have a fracture, you've got to secure above and below, the joint above and below the fracture. I can feel the break, it's right there in the middle. So we at UAM focus a lot on large animals, but we don't want to neglect the dogs and cats. So that was the basis for the lab today.